Well, I got a basic magnetism and gravity experiment that I want to just throw on the record here. Um, what I have here is two magnets of the same size and weight, and just to keep them from sliding around, I have two bolts down here that are just magnetized through this plate, uh, so they just don't slide around. But this plate itself is non-magnetizable. Like what I have under here, that's another magnet down there that this plate is balancing on, and as you can see, it's non-magnetizable. And so I just have these two magnets just having their uh, weights balanced on this plate here. And normally in an experiment like this, when we slide the plate over like that, there's an unbalance of weight, and the balance scale, will fall to one side or collapse. But I want to show in this experiment with magnets that, remove this bolt here. So if I do this, if I take this and slide it over, we don't get that result. We get the result of this magnet is now heavy enough to support this magnet with its bolt over there, and even the bolt that was over here supporting this magnet. So the result is different from our everyday normal objects. If these weren't magnets and it was just whatever, so like two stones or something, then this whole thing would fall and collapse. But because this is a magnet, and there's a magnet under here, and this plate of this scale is metal, there's now some sort of like weight, like unification of weight or something on this side with this magnet and the scale and the plate here. But I'm not exactly sure what exactly is going on here, but it's just the results that we're getting here is just different from our average normal results with two ordinary objects that aren't magnets. There's some sort of connection between magnetism and weight, or magnetism and gravity in this experiment. But I guess I can say that I'm not smart enough to to fully understand what exactly is going on here. So I want to just make this video of this basic experiment and see what other people think about it, because there isn't very many people who experiment with gravity and magnetism with some sort of a balanced scale like this. It seems like these kind of teeter-totter balanced scales aren't really used in too many gravity experiments. But anyway, I just kind of thought of this one, so I just wanted to throw it up on the record to see if anybody is smart enough to understand what's going on here, because there is some sort of connection between magnetism and gravity here, but I just don't know what it is.